The loss of custody over children in the UAE is governed by the new personal status law, which is the Federal Decree Law number 41 of 2024, which comes into effect on April 15, 2025. And in particular, Article 115 of that law, which details the conditions under which custody could be revoked. While some of the conditions in the new law are similar to those under the old law, there are a few notable differences and additions. Most significantly, the overarching spirit of the new law, as reflected in the corresponding amendments, is to ensure the best interests of the child. To that end, one of the most notable additions is that custody could be lost if the custodian moves to a place that compromises the best interests of the child. In other words, the focus is on the child's best interests and not that of the custodian or the guardian. One other change is that custody can be revoked if the custodian engages in immoral behavior that once again negatively impacts the child. Some of the other conditions to losing custody include, in the event custodian neglects his or her custodial duties or becomes unable to perform them, or if custody is not claimed for more than 1 year from the date of knowledge, or if the custodian resides with someone whose custody was revoked previously. And finally, if any of the conditions required for the custodians are no longer met. It is possible, however, for the person who lost custody rights to regain them if the underlying reason for losing custody has been resolved.